Our desktop or Wolf Air Humidifier is all that you need. It is more than just a humidifier. Its Wolf head modeling and cool, colorful lights make it more eye-catching. It purifies, humidifies, and enlivens the air. Its 650 milliliters water tank provides all-day humidification and eliminates the need to refill. Its USB charging connector lets you charge it through your computer, adapter, or power bank. In the office, home, or yoga studio, this humidifier works well to moisturize your skin, reduce stress, and create a relaxing environment to lessen tiredness. Everyone will surely love it.